We have a wide range of styles and sizes for writing or printing your label information. Warehouses and business spaces are regularly reorganized to keep up with inventory and other changes. Sticker labels are difficult to remove and leave behind a residue, resulting in messy cleanup and potential service damage. Skip the headache with magnets. Reuse the labels after removing them to save time and money. We have the magnetic label holder to fit your needs. C-channel label magnets hold data cards for your barcode or hand-printed information. Our box sets come with pre-cut magnetic labels and matching cards for your convenience. C-channel magnets also come in rolls and are available in sizes from 1/2 inch to 3 inches tall. All of our rolled magnetic labels are available in 50 or 100-foot lengths.